Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to turn the objects into particles in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, go to Toolbox and search for Fusion Composition. Then drag it to your timeline. Select it and click on the Fusion tab. Then, drag your image into your node area and click the dot under the media in to enable the display. Hold Ctrl plus space and type P image emitter and add it. Then hold Ctrl again plus space and type P render and add it. Connect the P render to media out. Then select the media in. Ctrl plus space, search for transform and add it. Then go to inspector and modify the size to fit your frame. Then click the P image emitter and go to inspector. Then under the style, expand the drop down and select the blob. Open the size control and set the size to 0.5 and go to controls and set the random speed to 300. Then set the velocity to 0.2, the variance to 0.2, and the z angle to -90 degrees. And that's it. You can now experiment with velocity, lifespan, and more. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.